Hey, words. La. Words. You're gonna have a hot dog, la. Stop. Then words. Be careful with your words. I don't like that. Oh, good job. Oh. Ni. Julie. Thank you. Why are you crying? Ha? Sinampal mo ba? Hindi na, no?
It's just oh my gosh, Grandma's schooling your boy. Oh my gosh. I stopped it.
Julian, it's okay. Oh, see? You cannot do a game, Julian. She did not just in you like that. That's normal. Stop that, Julian. You're Karen. You're sensitive. You cannot play game now anymore. And then be sport. You need to be sport. There's no winner twice. You just need to be good. Okay, you change now. You go there and Grandma will be the goalie. Okay, change. Grandma will be the goalie.
No, so you only need one more.
Oh. Di ba isa?
It was an accident. It was I was gonna win.
Oh. No. Ni.
I'm not that good.
Oh, good job. Nay, mother ni, pasok mo palo.
No. So close.
Okay, me and Julie, you and Grandma.
Nice.
Okay, change. Okay.
You want to be the goalie or no? No.
Hey, Grandma, can I do this?
Wait. Grandma isn't ready yet. Mother, naisi ka na. Okay. Oh. Oh, no!
You distracted me. That's your fault.
Oh, ni.
You want like that joke?
Okay.
Mother, ni, stop mo. Oh. Stop mo. Don't put your hand. You're gonna get awi. That's the worst thing you can do. Oh, now, pinagpalit ka na, pinalayas na siya. Ah! Ni.
No, not like that, Julie. Okay.
There you go. Come here.
Stop!
Oh.
Do that!
Ni. Kainin na niya. Oh, yeah. Ni, mother. Oh.
Don't dance your finger. Don't dance
Kick it,
that.
Grandma! What is it? I don't kick it like that. How do you supposed to do
Okay, go. It's okay. Oh, there you go. Good job. Yeah, good job.
Just go.
Ni mother. Mother. Ay. Okay.
Kick it, Grandma. We're doing better.
Ay, may ganap. May bulungan ganap. May ganap ang bulungan.